Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today I'm here to introduce you Sunshine SS-001A mobile phone repair toolbox storage box. Guys, this storage box is very good. It consists of three compartments, one, two, and the third. The first one is for mobile phone screws, tiny screws, and the second compartment is for covers and tiny items, and the last compartment, the big one, is for motherboard assembly and the whole mobile phones. Guys, this product is very good if you are repairing a mobile phone and then don't want to leave it opened. And so guys, this is the safe box, and I highly recommend this box. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.